Welcome to this demo of Know Your Science Kit. Let's start by exploring the platform's navigation. Here, you can access different sections like About Us, Equipment in a Kit, Identify the Equipment, Feedback Queries, and Contact Us. This is the bar. Let's see the home page. This is the introduction of a company. Here, you can click here to see our user guide. Here, you can click to see about STEM kits, know more about STEM kits. Here's a demo video, and here's a customer service chatbot who will help you with your questions. And for any queries, please contact me, Ojus Wankhede, founder and CEO, Know Your Science Kit. My email ID is ojuswankhede@gmail.com and my phone number is 9321328767. Let's see the About Us section. This is our About Us. This is about our company, like what the Know Your Science Kit is. This is about me, our founder. Let's see equipment in a kit. So this is the equipment in a kit. Like here you will see the description of equipment present in your kit, like battery, mirrors, bulbs, Arduino circuit, copper wire. Many are there. Here you can click here to learn more about experiment with these equipment. So you can see experiment with magnets and iron fillings, DC motor and circuits, mirrors, bulbs, and light experiments, Arduino based circuits, copper wire, nichrome wire, pH testing, and many more like this. So here's the identify the equipment. So this here you can click here to try our identification model. So let's try this. So you can see it shows magnet, ring magnet. See, this is a ring magnet, and it is showing 100% magnet. See, now there is a feedback and queries. So here you can see a feedback form. Here you have to rate our platform, and if you want to contact us, then here for more queries. This is my business card. You can see this. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. We That concludes this demo of Nola Science Kit. Thank you.